Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about how we can pass information or pass data into a function so that you can then use it as part of that sub-program or that function. So I've got my program here that we've been using, how to make a sandwich. I've got it nicely laid out here with my functions of how to butter the bread, how to put filling on, how to cut it, and then, you know, our code, which is ask them if they want to make a sandwich. If they do, butter it, fill it, cut it, ask them if they want to make another. Which runs something like this. Do you want to make a sandwich? Yes. Get the butter it, put the Vegemite on. You can see here it's running each of those functions in turn exactly as I've asked it to, which is perfect. But let's say now I want to give them the option of making all sorts of different sandwiches, not just Vegemite. So I need to change here what they have to get. I don't want them to get Vegemite. I want them to get whatever they want to put on it. So I'm going to first of all put in here a question to get what they want. And then when I call the filling function, I want to pass that information into the function. And I do that by putting it in these brackets. So here I say, right, I'm going to call the definition called filling, and I want to send it whatever is in this current value of the variable called fill. So if they put cheese, it's going to say, go and do filling and send the word cheese with it. Now up here, I have to tell the definition to expect some information. Now it doesn't have to have the same name. In fact, in here I'm going to call it ingredient. So I'm going to say, right, you are going to, whenever you're called, whoever is calling you is going to send you some information, and I want you to store that in something called ingredient. You could call it fill, it doesn't really matter. So I'm going to just call it something different because it's a bit easier. And this time instead, I'm going to say, instead of getting Vegemite, I'm going to say get the ingredient and put some on. Okay, so let's try running that now. Do you want to make a sandwich? Yes. What do you want on it? Cheese. Great, get the cheese, put some on. Do you want to make another? Yes. What do you want on it? Honey. Great, do all the same stuff, but this time we get the honey. So here I'm using my functions, but I'm able to go ahead and pass information and use that within the function.